Alright, you guys, well, we spent all night welding, fitting. We got our centers in. We got one here, it's already a completed project. It's already welded, mounted, aired up, good to go. We're fixing to finish these other ones and then get them mounted on the truck today. Who's ready? Right. Firing up the truck for the first time that we've ever done it. Trying to do it in a timely manner because we got a dinner tonight for our birthday, so we're trying to video and still get it done in time. Well, regroup here.
And here, we need to use that board. There you go, get that bottom one there.
No.
Push that bottom one in some, Junior. Or that
The bottom one on your left.
one you might can reach. Is it all the way in?
Yeah. Yeah, it's not good.
All right, hang on.
While we're spinning.
Yeah, I know, but it's still getting as close. He ain't even.
Vacuum on this round in the back.
Rough idea.
Where you going to?
Drive to the outer edge of one of them lugs.
11.5.
You're a whole foot narrower than the rest
Get it rough here. 6'6". Probably roughly 4.5 foot. So what did you say the last measurement was? 6'6".
The button. You press the other
That
button.
fucking cherry picker will grab that hug and pick it up.
That's just a flex test.
Pretty cool flex though.
You bent the front and getting cut off.
We dropped it. And my camera girl here was slacking.
go up, snag, hold it hard. Turn there, show me pick it.
They're gonna have to be held.
Come out.
Top one, the very top one on the left.
Ready?
Yeah. Try that.
Hang on, something's wrong because that bitch is going on by heading just fine. What the fuck is this thing? And hit it. Hold it to the floor. Yep. Hey! Well, yeah. Hit him. Hey, we're gonna check our tires, see how our centers look. Put it in park. Cut your rear. Other way. Whoa. We wanted a couple inches. We got that pretty decent. Other way, or cut your front. Go forwards with it. Cut it. That's it. Nah, it can't be. The steering's probably in the hard spot because it's kind of junky. Hey, work it. Whoa. Yeah, we're hitting there. Hey, don't cut it too hard because that sway bar's hitting it. We got them a little close on the front, but it's still doable. Check the other side. Roll when you do it. We don't want him to roll, just make it a little easier on the steering. Whoa! Back up! That one's a hair tight. But see, the thing is too, is we got some room to play with because we're gonna shave these cleats right here. We got them pretty close though for the most part. Hey, cut it up. Trying to check over this tire. Cut it hard! Whoa! Is that cut all the way? Oh, hang on, buddy, can't hear me. Is that cut all the way, Wyatt?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, see how it looks. Alright. Well, so we're about 50-50. Two of them need some adjustment. Two of them don't.